What's going on? Mike Hobbs here, and you've probably heard the news. Let me show you this article right here that Elon Musk buys Twitter, right? And you've been probably seeing these articles, tweets, everything out there that it's a pretty big deal. You know, he spent $44 billion to acquire Twitter. Now, I'm not going to get into why he did that in this video, but I wanted to relate it to a marketing principle that can help you build a business from home. And this principle is about database. So, what he really bought, if you really think about it, and all the richest people in the world understand this concept, and a lot of people out there don't. And so here's the concept. So Twitter is a huge database of people. And so if you go over to Twitter and you go to sign up, as you know, it collects a name when you're signing up, a phone number, or an email address. So you can sign up either with a phone number or an email address. So, what is this really? This is a database of people that you can market to. But what I'm saying is the richest people in the world understand having a database of people can make you a lot of money. Think about Amazon, for example. The Amazon owner has a database of everyone who owns or has an Amazon account, right? So think of Facebook. When you go over to sign up for Facebook, look what they ask you for: email, password. And then when you get inside, now you're putting your name in, you're putting all of your information in. So the concept here I really want you to understand is these richest people in the world understand this. And there's a lot of people out there who are preaching, you don't need an email list anymore. You don't, email is dead. And what they're telling you is just have a social media account and build up your following on social media and you're set, right? Well, think about this for a second. Those social media platforms that everyone's saying, just get a social media platform and you're set and you can build your following there. Yet, behind the scenes, Mark Zuckerberg is getting their name and email, right? And you're not. You're just building a following on your social media, and that's it. And it's not owned by you. You don't own that database. Mark Zuckerberg owns the database for Facebook. Now, Elon Musk owns the database for Twitter. So, yes, you could build a huge Twitter following. Yes, you could build a huge YouTube subscriber list. But here's the thing, you don't own that. You don't own that list, that database. So, how do you build your own database in the home business industry and to how to make money from that database? Well, what you do is you create a platform of your own. So, for example, this is what's called a capture page where someone can you can give away a training, a valuable gift or something that someone's interested in. So, on this capture page, this is where we teach people about our $25 digital business. And so they put their name and email, and then this goes into my database of people that I'm building, my email list, they call it. And that is how you build your own personal database. You have little pages like this out there on the internet, and you market and advertise that. Here's another one. So this is just giving away my daily action plan. And so when people click this button, they put their name and email, again, building my email list, building my database of people that I own and I control. So yes, you can use all the social media platforms out there, Facebook, Twitter, etc., but you want to get them into your database that you own. All the richest people in the world understand this concept. It's time for you to really understand this concept. All right, so then here's another one, 3K per month formula. This is where I'm showing people how to earn $3,000 a month online. So again, they put their name and their email, building my database of people. Here's another one, 21 video ideas you can use right now to generate more leads online. And so when they click this button, boom, they get that checklist of the 21 different video ideas. And again, building my database. So we teach a lot more of this inside of our company that I co-founded. And so I'll have more information below. But if you would like any of these, I'll put a link to all four of these below. If you would like to learn and get into the database that I have and all the value that I have inside, and I can show you how to make money from home. I could show you how to market online. As you can see, I have many different offers here, and these are free. These are free. So you can get this 21 video ideas to generate more leads online for free. And you can go down there and do that and understand this concept. When you build your database, when you build your email list, you own it, and email is not dead. Okay. I sent an email yesterday and made a sale from that email. So email is not dead. You can build your own database. Every billionaire on the planet understands this. So it's time for you to understand it. So if you got value from this video, leave a thumbs up. Let me know your feedback and your thoughts on this subject below in the comments. I'll have a whole bunch of resources in the description. Make it a wonderful day, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye for now.